How to download and install Wechat app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can download and install the application called Wechat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, open up the Play Store app from your device and at the top search bar, type in Wechat. This is the application that we are looking forward to download. Tap onto it and tap on Install. Now while this app is being installed, you can go ahead and look for its feature down below. And once the application says it's installed, tap on Open. Just like so, at this page, you can either sign in or log into your account by tapping on this login button on your left side. And in case you don't have an account, you have to tap on Sign Up on your bottom right. Now in order to get logged into your account, all you have to do is select your country, your phone number, and tap on Accept and Continue. Just like so, this is how you can download and install Wechat in your device. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.